In my advanced keying part 2 video, I made the following somewhat and we're going to basically clamp it. So we bring in an RGB node and we tell them if it's greater than that, show it. But basically we're reducing the opacity of the mask because now it's this grayish value. Which isn't a problem because we're working on a black and white image. It's a matte after all, so we can bring in a curves and start to clip that to white again. Now what I thought over there was that the greater than value would actually return the value that was the greater value of the two. Because I could gain up the alpha still to a pure white. And then I realized that is actually a weird operation. If you call it greater than, I would assume it's actually a math operation. So returning 0 or 1. And when I started measuring the alphas values, I already noticed that they were at 1 after clamping. Just to be sure, I dove into the Blender code and found the math greater than operation class and the method example pixel sample load. And here it proves indeed that it returns 1 or 0. Which eliminates the need of the step to clamp it with a curves adjustment because it's already pure white. Now this drives home my point, my valid point, that this is an excellent way to make a core matte. And that you would need to add a edge matte for that softer non-pure white details. So that's a little nugget of knowledge. I like to keep things exact. So that's a small rectification from my part. Thank you for watching.